In today's video, we're going to talk about bots. What do I mean? I'm talking about trading bot bots on the OKX platform, whereby you make money without using any of your efforts to trade in the market. It's very easy. Let me show you how to do this. So basically, what you do is on OKX, you come to trades, then come to trading bots. Click on trading bots. It's going to take you to this trading bots section, and if you notice, you can see global boost traders. You can see the global boost traders on their platform right now. You can see the global boost trading earnings, and you can see the bots created worldwide. They have about 12.63 million bots on OKX right now. So how do you go ahead and profit from this huge number of bots on the OKX platform, and how do you also win, or let's say win, or how do you make money on OKX? So basically, if you come down to the signal marketplace, you're going to notice all this. You're going to say this is actually the featured section, so you can change this from the featured section to the highest, to back tested, and whatever you want to test it, you want to change it to. Then I'll just leave that. I'll leave it for now. Leave it like this for now. So scroll down. Basically, how do you know which bot to invest in? Is by looking at the back tested APY. Look at that back tested APY. You can see this one is 80%. This one is 90%. This one is 59%. This one has a huge percentage, which is really huge. This is really huge. Okay, so you can see so many bots right here. So I can click on subscribe. Let's say subscribe right now. If I click on subscribe, it's going to open, and the next thing you're going to see is you. So this is the owner of the particular bot. It's the owner of the particular scientist, and it's going to ask you to select a subscription plan. You select a subscription plan. Let's say you can actually pay. If you want to pay monthly fee, you can do that. If you want profit sharing, you can do profit sharing, whereby the bot is going to trade, and it's going to take 20% of whatever profits the bot makes for you in that within that particular trade. All right, and if you click on the signal description, you can learn more about how the bot works and what the bot is doing for you. And after that, you can click on accept, and you can subscribe to Signal. So before subscribing to Signal, what do? We need to look at the overview. Look at the subscribers profit slash loss margin. Look at the subscribers win rate. Look at the USDT amount of USDT invested. Look at time triggered in the last 7 days, and also look at the performance. So on this performance, you're gonna see the pairs they're actually trading. You can see the pairs, Solana, USDT perpetual, Bitcoin Cash and perpetual, near perpetual, and all this. These are different ones. What you want to do is you want to look at. You can see these are the ones that are making good amount of profits. I think these are the cryptos making good amount of profit. These cryptos right here. So you can actually note them and click on subscribe, and it's going to subscribe. I'll click on next. So I'm not sure I can actually complete this because my account is not verified. All right. So okay, it's taking me back here. So let me go up. Okay, so I think I've done that. Then I'll click on next. Okay, where am I? Okay, so once it takes you to this section, you just scroll down. You're gonna see everything about the bot. So you can see actually this is the assets the bot is trading. You can uncheck the ones you don't want. So remember I told you that you can note the symbols are actually doing right here. Just know the currency pairs that are doing right here, doing very well there. Note them, come back here and select them, and after that you just go ahead and you set your leverage, put your investment amount. So they recommend a minimum of 1,000 USDT. Basically, they recommend a minimum of 1,000 USDT. So I think let's go ahead and try it out. We put 10 USDT. You notice it says exceeded available amount. Right now I have 0 amount, so I can't do that. So after that, you can do more advanced settings, like if you prefer to use trading view signal or whatever, but leave it as trading view signal. Remember, leave it as trading view signal. Then you come down here and click on create bot. If you want to set your profits and take profit and stop loss, you can do that right here by clicking this check, and you do that. So most people would set that because this is a bot. You actually don't want to lose your money or whatever. You can set the percentage you want to take your profits and the percentage you want to take loss. So after that, you create the bot and it's going to create, and don't worry about that. The bot is going to do its work. It will analyze the whole market for you and trade, and you get your money instantly. So this is how you can actually make money without doing anything. The only thing you did is just setting up the bots and selecting the pairs you want, and that's all. So I'm sure you enjoyed the video, and if you did, kindly smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.